You can see that I'm just tearing my Pillsbury biscuits right in half, just like that. I'm gonna grab myself some apple pie filling. Oof, I love this apple pie filling, and I'm gonna grab a spoonful, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place it right in the center of those biscuits. So I have a little bit of apple pie filling going right in here. Now I've been craving apple pie, and I really wanted to come up with a really easy version to make it. What's your guys' favorite kind of pie? I don't know. Honestly, you could use any type of pie filling, just like what we're doing right now. What would you pick? I am apple all the way right now, and 1 can is a perfect amount to fill up those biscuits. Yum. Now watch how easy this is. We are gonna fold back over the top of that dough just like so, and come in with our fork. We'll kind of seal the out of edge here. It doesn't matter if a little bit comes out, you guys. If it's not perfect, it's gonna be just fine. But seal it up with the fork. It seems to be the easiest way. And you know what these kind of remind me of? Those little apple pies that you get from McDonald's. Do you guys eat those anymore? I don't, but when I was a kid, holy cow, do I remember my dad always wanting to get the apple pie. Always, never failed. I was always for the French fries and the milkshakes. I don't know, that's kind of where I stood. These are gonna be fantastic. I can already tell. Okay, they look nice and sealed in. So we're gonna have some melted butter here that I have this really obnoxiously large brush that I'm working with here. This is like literally the only one that they found at the store because somehow my other brush went missing. Do you guys have kitchen tools go missing like you do socks? I don't know. Sometimes I have no idea where it could have gone, and I wonder maybe my daughter used it. I don't know. Maybe she used it to play with. Either way, we have a new one, and you know, it's silicone. It's pretty nice, actually. I'm kind of liking it. It's nice and smooth. So let's put this butter over. It's gonna make those nice and golden brown, and we're gonna top them with some cinnamon sugar that I am just gonna not be stingy about, you guys. I'm gonna place a hefty amount of cinnamon sugar right on top of these biscuits. We have that apple pie filling in the middle, and it is just as if we are making our own little apple pie pockets. How fun. That's it, you guys. Now we just have to pop them in the oven at 350. They'll be from probably about 12 to 15 minutes, and stick around. You're gonna love this easy treat. Wow, look at how amazing those turned out, you guys. These little apple pie pockets. They are golden brown, covered in cinnamon sugar, and screaming my name. I mean, seriously, I am so impressed by how that stayed so well together. I think I'm just gonna, should I rip it apart or should I just go for it and bite it?
Yeah, go for it.
All right, I'm gonna go for it and bite it. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Apple pie filling all inside. Check it out. I'm not even gonna, I mean, it's not even messy. It's literally an apple pie pocket. I think this is better than the regular apple pie. I don't know. What are you guys thinking about this? What are you doing? Doing something different? A different pie? I'm apple pie pocket all the way, you guys. Let me know what team you're on. I hope you enjoy this recipe. This is so tasty. We are gonna be having these again for sure. We'll see you guys later, and I hope you enjoyed.